welcome back again. We just finished an amazing meal.
Yep.
And it's time for a cocktail. And I'll tell you what, before we came down here, I was watching James Bond movies.
Were you?
And, you know, when we come out on the trail and we're playing and we get all our gadgets and gizmos, I feel like James Bond. So what I want to do is I want to make a dirty martini.
Oh, that sounds awesome. Let's do it.
So we'll get one shaken up and get to sip on it and really enjoy it.
Awesome, man. I'll tell you what though, we got a special guest tonight that's gonna help us make the drink.
Yeah?
Yep.
We do?
Yep. We've got Chris's mom, Mama Holloway. What do you think about that?
That's wonderful. She's been out camping with us the whole time we've been out this past few nights.
And she's been driving the MOORE Expo rig on the trails.
She has, yep. She put it all down in low.
She climbed some ledges.
It's been a blast. Mom, welcome.
Hello.
Love to have you.
It's been wonderful.
Hello.
Thank you, Chad.
And
Thank you.
if I know somebody that can make a dirty martini in the right
I like
way,
to drink it.
it's my mother's. Welcome to overlanding. Welcome to coming out and camping with us.
I am loving it. I'm loving it.
This has been your first trip out.
Yes.
And we've been all over and
in the rain, in the tornado warning,
yeah,
in the sunshine. It's great.
We've made a couple drinks and I know this is one of your favorites. So,
It is.
you know, a woman as top secret as yourself should show us how to shake up a dirty martini. So I'm gonna get some ice going in here, and while I do that, if you could walk everybody through the ingredients, and we'll get this thing going.
So we're going to do 6 ounces of vodka.
Any vodka will work. What do you normally prefer?
You know, I'm a Smirnoff, but Stoli is pretty nice.
Stoli's good, yeah.
Stoli's
Yep.
very nice.
Tito's, I like Grey Goose when I do this. So anything that you guys prefer. That is a steady hand pouring if I ever saw one. I've been splashing it all over the
3.
place.
4.
So this has been a fun trip, huh?
Oh my gosh, it's been wonderful.
You get to hang out with all the guys and
I
gals.
am loving overlanding.
Yes.
I really am, completely. Okay, so 6 ounces and then 1 ounce.
Yep. Oh, that's a fresh bottle. There we go. Dry vermouth. Don't mess it up and do sweet vermouth. I've done that myself and it tastes wacky. All right.
Okay, 1 ounce. And then the best part, the dirty part.
Yeah. Yeah,
Oh.
that's good. As much as you like with this.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
An ounce, 2, 3, 4, depends on how dirty.
Let's just
yeah,
pour
give
it
it
in
a little love.
bit. There we go.
So this is the fun part, the shake.
Oh, do I get to shake it?
Please, dude. Yeah.
Okay.
Be honored. Oh, if you wouldn't mind, hold the top down though.
Oh dear.
Well, we don't want anything explosive getting in the campfire.
Watch out, boys. There you go.
And I've got a couple nice, clean, fresh glasses here for us, and that'll strain them right out. And always the garnish with a couple of olives. Now, all of these are very simple ingredients. I know it looks like we have a lot here, but these are super simple ingredients that you can take camping with you. Throw them in the bag, throw them in the refrigerator, in the cooler, put them in a box. Nothing has to be cold. We shook it with ice, and well, let's give it a shot.
All right. Cheerio.
Cheerio.
Delicious.
I feel like I'm turning into James Bond myself.
Yummy.
Mom, you been to the MOORE Expo?
I have.
You actually help a lot. You work at the gate.
Yes.
You're kind of out moving around. So if any of you guys come to MOORE Expo, it's a family event. Come and meet my beautiful mother.
Please do. Love to have you. Love to see you.
And a lot of these drinks that we're making in these videos, you'll be able to get at the Overland Addict Recovery Room.
I might join you for a drink.
Ooh, wouldn't that be
I'd like
fun?
to.
You guys could hear some amazing stories and
A little bit.
really enjoy yourself. So let's have one more toast
All right.
to a very special friend of ours. Cheers.